Good morning, master traders, conquerors of the charts. This is Master B here, coming to you on 3/9/24 at 11 a.m. in the morning. Sometimes after we have done a futures and build, I take some thoughts into my sleep and it really wrestles with me. And, the next day I wake up with different ideas that I can talk about on a recording. Now, in front of you, first of all, I want to thank you for coming out on Futures and Build. That was the first time that we had a Futures and Build after the name change. And it was a very good session. Those who weren't able to be there, you missed a good session, and hopefully you'll check out the recording. But the whole purpose of us meeting on these community sessions is to kind of encourage, touch, move, and inspire others to stay the course, because at the end of the day, when this stuff really starts clicking for you, this is going to be like a freedom journey for you financially, for yourself, and for your family. Okay? So I just wanted to go over a few things about the chart that maybe can help you, bless you on navigating these markets. Let's jump right into it. All right, so we're looking at the MES market, which is the micro E-mini S&P, and we're going to start over the course of Monday and through Friday, right? And I just want you guys to notice something that I've been noticing that has been happening for so many years, centuries almost, is that the market moves in cycle patterns, especially during the week. Monday establishes pretty much the high for the week, and if you do not have a low for Monday, just go back and take Friday or even Thursday's low to get you a total trading range for the upcoming week. Okay? Now, as you can see, wherever the market does a move up, it creates this kind of huge vacuum in the market, which we used to call the gap. Okay? Now, I remember back in the day, I used to say, this gap is going to get filled. I just can't tell you when, but it's going to get filled, because this gap area represents an imbalance. Okay? And as my brother also makes reference to this area as a price vacuum. All right? So every time that the market creates these vacuums, they're going to eventually get filled. And if you can resonate with that understanding, you're going to pretty much be able to map out when these markets are going to do a particular thing. Okay? And as one of my brothers in the team in the mastermind group has always said, is that don't take my word for it. Go back into the charts. Go back into the charts and look for yourself how, when the market creates these vacuums, right? It's an unbalance. They have to get filled. They will get filled. Again, I just can't tell you when. And as long as you know, especially from the past, that these phenomenons happen all the time, right? That gives you an edge going into the future. So I just wanted to do a quick video, very short video, about the gaps. When the gaps are created, the gaps will get filled. Most of the time, it will get filled before that week, or that week is out. All right? This is Master B going over the gaps that are created in the market. Peace. I'm out.